All right, hi friends, welcome. Today I'm going to share with you how I mix my apple cider vinegar drink. This is the drink that I take that I feel has helped me to lose weight. So I drink about 3 of these drinks a day, but one of them I make really fast. I mean, I'll have to put another video about how I make it with like a fresh lemon, but this is my quick one. Like when I'm on the go and I need the drink quick, I use these ingredients here because it's really fast to do. So as you can tell, I am a Whole Foods shopper and I don't make any money from endorsing Whole Foods, but I do shop there. I get a lot of things from there. So to make this drink, I use spring water. So I've got the 365 spring water. I also use the organic stevia. Now me, I like things really, really sweet. That's just, I've just always, I've always used so much sugar and eat a lot of things with sugar in them. So now I've cut out the sugar, but I still have the sweet tooth where I like for things to taste really sweet. So I use both the organic stevia, the powder, I love that, and I use the organic stevia, the liquid. They're both 365 from Whole Foods, but I use both of them because I just like the way they taste. These to me make the drink really taste amazing. Also, here's the apple cider vinegar by Bragg, and you do want the one with the mother. It's got all the benefits to that. And then to make it really good too, I use this Lakewood organic pure lemon. So this is the one I use for my fast drink when I need it quick. So the first thing I do is I go ahead and take the spring water and I put about 12 ounces in there. You can do about 8 to 12 ounces for a drink. I put about 12 because I really like this drink. So, if I just do 8, I am sad when it runs out. Like I want more than that. So I put about 12 ounces of the spring water. Then I like to add my apple cider vinegar with the mother. Every time I use it, I do shake it up. You want to shake it up because a lot of it will just you'll see that it'll be cloudy at the bottom. So I like to have a really good mix. So to make sure it's thoroughly mixed, so I'll shake that up. Then I put 2 tablespoons of this in my drink. So when you first start out, try 1 tablespoon, or if you want to try less, try 1 teaspoon. But at this point, I am putting 2 tablespoons of this into the drink. So there's 1 and 2. And if it goes a little over, I don't worry about that. It's all good. So 2 tablespoons of the apple cider vinegar with the mother. And then with the lemon juice, same thing. I like to shake that up too to make sure it's thoroughly mixed. And this you want to keep in the refrigerator. The apple cider vinegar, you don't have to keep that in the refrigerator. Just in a cool spot, not in the sun or anything like that. But I shake this up too. And I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of this. To me, this makes it just like my own special lemonade. It's so good. All right, so 2 tablespoons of that. Then this is where I am not saying do this. I do this because I like things so sweet, but I like 2 shakes of this. I mean, there's a little tiny spoon that comes with this. That's so cute. I'll show it to you. But there is a spoon in here that you can use. And I think they recommend putting like a little bitty spoon full of this or maybe 2 of those in there. But I just right now I'm trying to cut back, but I love this stuff. So I do 2 shakes of it. So I go shake and then shake, 2 shakes of that. And if it doesn't look like enough, maybe a 3rd shake too. And then with the liquid, you're just supposed to use like 5 to 7 drops or something like that. But I do use a dropper full. So I use 2 dropperfuls of that. But I will say also too, it's because this is not just an 8-ounce drink, it is 12. So I think I'm entitled to a little bit more, right? And then just take a spoon and stir it up. That's it. It's as simple as that. And then you have this, and it's so pretty. It looks like lemonade. And maybe the first time you do it, you might not be like, oh, this is so good, it's like lemonade. Maybe not, but the more and more you do it, the more to you'll just see it becomes like your lemonade, and it is so tasty. It is so good. It's a little tart. Let's see. Yeah, it's tart, but I love it. That's what I love about it. Like it kind of makes your cheeks just go makes them pucker. But I love this drink, and not only that, because I feel like it's healthy and it's helping me to lose weight, so I love it. So people always want to question like, oh, what's in it? I don't know if I should be drinking apple cider vinegar. Well, when you drink your soda, do you question what's in it? When you drink that diet soda, are you really looking at the effects of the chemicals in there for your body? Think about things like that. So when you want to question is apple cider vinegar right for you, think about the other things you're doing that may not be as healthy and see if this is something that might be healthier for you. Try it out, if you feel that it works for you, and see if you notice any weight loss difference with it. But I will tell you that I do this 3 times a day. So this is one of the drinks that I do. The other 2 I do with a whole lemon, same thing, but instead of the bottled lemon, I use a whole lemon. But I put the other 2 same things in there and I blend that in my blender. But I love this drink. So if you have any questions about, what I do with this, put them in the comments. Or if you try this and you love it, I would love to hear, your experience with this. If you found this video helpful, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. That way we can help build this community and share these kind of weight loss tips that can help us to all get healthier, lose weight, and keep it off for good. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Hi friends, I'm Coach Tiffany Harte. Welcome. Today I am showing you how to mix this weight loss drink. This drink is so good. Woo! It's tart. It's making your cheeks go like that. It makes my cheeks go, ooh, but it is so good. I love it. I'm going to tell you how I mix this to where it tastes so good that I drink it 3 times a day, and it really is helping me to lose weight. You can see my other video where I talk about some of the benefits of this and a story that I'll share with you about a relative who lost a lot of weight with this. But this is something that has definitely been helping me to lose weight, so I want to share it with you. Cheers.